Hello everyone, this is Deepika and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a quick snacks recipe which is my kids' favorite. I made this recipe for my guest in Diwali, but it can be made anytime because it is very easy, simple and quick. So let's begin. For this recipe, I have taken 1 kg of chiwda or poha or flattened rice, half inch ginger, 6-7 piece dried red chilli, 1 cup of soaked chana dal and 1 cup of peanuts. And also I am using 1 liter of oil here because we need to deep fry chivda in small batches, and this strainer is very useful for deep frying. Now I have taken this wide kadai for frying chivda with a sufficient amount of oil in it and this container just beside the stove so that it will be convenient for me to put chivda after frying. I have put a layer of paper towel inside it so that it will absorb extra oil, and before frying it check if the oil is hot. If you are not sure, put few pieces of chivda. If it turns out fluffy, then it's ready, and if not, then wait for some more time, but don't let the oil get too hot. Now oil is at the right temperature. Let's fry the chilies first. I will fry everything inside this strainer only so that it will be easy for me while taking them out. It saves time and prevents burning. So I have finished frying chivda. Now I am adding some salt into it and mix it properly so that all the other ingredient I have added will distribute evenly. Now tasty yummy snacks is ready. Please let me know in the comment box below how you like this recipe. Please consider subscribing this channel for more videos in future and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. Thank you.